Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia. In this guide, we will walk you through how Bihar Board Class 12 students can easily download their Marksheet through DigiLocker. This digital platform allows students to securely access their official documents online without relying on physical copies. By the end of this guide, you will understand why DigiLocker is important, how to download your Marksheet step by step, and how to resolve common issues you may encounter. DigiLocker has become an essential platform for accessing official academic documents. First, documents issued through DigiLocker are legally valid and digitally signed by the government, meaning they are accepted by most universities and institutions across India. DigiLocker provides instant access to your Marksheet as soon as the Bihar Board examination releases the results. Students no longer have to wait in queues or repeatedly refresh websites. Finally, DigiLocker ensures paperless security. Since it is Aadhaar linked and encrypted, your documents remain safe from loss, damage, or forgery. DigiLocker makes accessing your Bihar Board Class 12 Marksheet extremely convenient. Once the results are announced, your Marksheet can be accessed directly through the DigiLocker app or website. This means your marks are literally one tap away, stored safely in your digital account. Instead of worrying about losing or misplacing physical documents, students can now easily view, download, or share their Marksheets anytime and from anywhere. Downloading your Bihar Board Class 12 Marksheet from DigiLocker is simple and straightforward. First, visit your official DigiLocker website or open the DigiLocker mobile application. Next, log in using your registered mobile number or Aadhaar number. If you are a new user, you will need to complete the sign-up process and verify your identity using Aadhaar. After logging in, navigate to the Issue Documents section. From there, select Bihar School Examination Board or BSEB from the list of issuing authorities. Then enter your roll code and roll number. Your Marksheet will appear on the screen and you can simply click download to save the document. There are several benefits to downloading your Marksheet through DigiLocker. Students can access their Marksheet instantly whenever they need it. The platform also provides secure online storage, ensuring that important documents remain protected. Because the Marksheet is issued directly by the Bihar School Examination Board, it carries official verification, making it valid for admissions and other official process. Additionally, DigiLocker allows easy digital sharing with institutions and eliminates the need to carry physical copies. Sometimes students may encounter issues while accessing their Marksheet on DigiLocker. If your Marksheet is not showing, it may simply mean that the board has not yet uploaded the document. In such cases, waiting for official upload usually resolves the issue. If you face login problems, make sure your mobile number or Aadhaar details are correct. Server errors can occur due to high traffic, so trying again after some time often helps. Finally, always double check your roll code and roll number, as even a small error can prevent the system from retrieving your Marksheet. Students should also be aware of some common mistakes while downloading their Marksheet. Entering the wrong roll code or roll number is one of the most frequent issues. Always verify the details printed on your admit card. Another common problem is when Aadhaar is not linked with the DigiLocker account. Linking Aadhaar in advance can prevent OTP verification issues on result day. If the DigiLocker app crashes due to high traffic, clearing the app cache or switching to the web version can solve the problem. If you see a document not found message, waiting for about 30 minutes after the result release may help, as records are sometimes uploaded in batches. One of the biggest advantages of DigiLocker is its strong security framework. Each Marksheet available on DigiLocker carries a digital signature issued by BSEB, which is verified by the controller of certifying authorities. The platform also uses end-to-end encryption, ensuring that the document cannot be altered or tampered with. Additionally, DigiLocker maintains an audit trail, recording every time a document is viewed or downloaded. This adds an extra layer of transparency and trust. Before the Bihar Board results are announced, students should take a few important steps. First, register or log in to DigiLocker well before result day to avoid last-minute delays. Second, once your mark sheet is available, download it as a PDF and keep a backup copy for future use. Finally, share this guide with classmates, teachers, and counselors so everyone can access their mark sheets quickly and smoothly. Taking these steps early will ensure that you are fully prepared when the results are released. Thank you.